Question 1. Wild animal live in forest. Option A. Animal is a common noun. Option B. Animal is proper noun. Option C. Animal is an abstract noun. Option D. None of these. Right answer is option A. Animal is a common noun. Question 2. The word army is in dash noun. Option A. Abstract noun. Option B. Collective noun. Option C. Compound noun. Option D. Countable noun. Right answer is option B. Collective noun. Question 3. Wisdom is better than riches. Option A. Common noun. Option B. Proper noun. Option C. Collective noun. Option D. Abstract noun. Right answer is option D. Abstract noun. Question 4. I did not believe the girl's story. Option A. Common noun. Option B. Proper noun. Option C. Collective noun. Option D. Abstract noun. So right answer is option A. Common noun. Question 5. A son is a bright student. Option A. Abstract noun. Option B. Proper noun. Option C. Collective noun. Option D. Common noun. So right option is option D. Common noun. Question 6. Solomon was famous for his wisdom. Option A. Common noun. Option B. Material noun. Option C. Concrete noun. Option D. Proper noun. So right answer is option D. Proper noun. Question 7. Rice is the staple food of South Indians. Option A. Common noun. Option B. Compound noun. Option C. Material noun. Option D. Abstract noun. So right answer is option C. Material noun. Question 8. My family lives in that house. Option A. Common noun. Option B. Collective noun. Option C. Compound noun. Option D. Abstract noun. So right answer is option B. Collective noun. Question 9. The word sugar is dash noun. Option A. Abstract noun. Option B. Compound noun. Option C. Countable noun. Option D. Uncountable noun. So right answer is option D. Uncountable noun. Question 10. A teacher must have patience. Option A. Countable noun. Option B. Material noun. Option C. Proper noun. Option D. Common noun. So right answer is option D. Common noun. Question 11. Smoking is bad habit. Option A. Proper noun. Option B. Common noun. Option C. Abstract noun. Option D. Compound noun. So right option is option C. Abstract noun. Question 12. Love beget love. Option A. Collective noun. Option B. Common noun. Option C. Proper noun. Option D. Abstract noun. So right answer is option D. Abstract noun. Question 13. A committee of five was appointed. Option A. Collective noun. Option B. Abstract noun. Option C. Common noun. Option D. Proper noun. So right answer is option A. Collective noun. Question 14. The childhood of Peter was full of misery. Option A. Common noun. Option B. Proper noun. Option C. Abstract noun. Option D. Countable noun. So right answer is option C. Abstract noun. Question 15. Alcohol is injurious to health. Option A. Common noun. Option B, abstract noun. Option C, proper noun. Option D, material noun. So right answer is option B, abstract noun. Question 16. The book was lying on the table. Option A, common noun. Option B, proper noun. Option C, abstract noun. Option D, none of these. So right answer is option A, common noun. Question 17. Gold is a precious metal. Option A, common noun. Option B, proper noun. Option C, material noun. Option D, abstract noun. So right answer is option C, material noun. Question 18. We cannot live without water. Option A, common noun. Option B, material noun. Option C, compound noun. Option D, countable noun. So right answer is option B, material noun. Question 19. The word Holy Quran is dash noun. Option A, proper noun. Option B, common noun. Option C, abstract noun. Option D, collective noun. So right answer is option A, proper noun. Question 20. Honesty is the best policy. Option A, abstract noun. Option B, common noun. Option D, collective noun. Option D, proper noun. So right answer is option A, abstract noun.